The GT Academy is a competition in which Gran Turismo players are given a chance to become real-life professional racing drivers. The project, which started in 2008 in a collaboration between the Nissan Motor Company, Sony Computer Entertainment and Polyphony Digital, has successfully produced many professional drivers. You can see one proof of this success in the series participation of the Nissan GT Academy Team RJN in the 2013 Blank Pain Endurance Series, and the 2013 FIA GT Championships. The car entered in the series was the 2013 spec Nissan GT-R Nismo GT3. Compared to the 2012 model, the power had been increased from 522 bhp to 542 bhp, the torque from 62.4 kgfm to 65.9 kgfm. The gear ratio was then of course optimized to match, canard winglets were added to the front, rear wing position was adjusted, and the suspension was reinforced to match the improved aerodynamics, making this a full evolution from the previous year. The drivers included the first GT Academy champion Lucas Ordóñez, 2011 European champion Jann Mardenborough, 2012 Russian champion Mark Shilzhitsky, European champion Wolfgang Reip, North American champion Steve Doherty, and Alex Buncombe. All drivers other than Buncombe were GT Academy graduates. The Blank Pain Endurance Series that started in 2011 allows FIA GT3 spec machines to compete in the race, and from 2012, one of the 3 great races of the world, the Spa 24 Hours race, was added to the series lineup. Team RJN fought the race using 2 cars, and their car number 35 achieved 3rd place in the Pro-Am class and 7th overall, marking a podium finish in this legendary race. The team then went on to secure more points in the Pro-Am class, achieving 2nd place in the final rankings for the season.